Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll learn about TCS ION courses. Open the link in the description box which is provided. After opening the link in the description box provided, you'll be directed to the page. Simply click on the sign up as learner and fill your credentials. If you have a Facebook account, sign up using your Facebook account or Twitter or Google or TCS ION account. If you don't have an account, simply create a new account by filling up your full name and email ID and password and retype your password and give your mobile number. If you are minor, click on yes. If you are not minor, click on no. So I am not a minor, I am clicking on no. Now create your account, simply clicking on. After this, click on agreement policies. It's a private one. If you want to read it, completely read it. Click on OK and get down slowly. There you can see a characters image. Type the characters which is shown on your screen. After that, click on sign up. After signing up your page, you'll get your page like this, where you have to type in your search box. The search icon, you have to click on it. After clicking on the search icon, you'll be getting a page like this, where you have to click on the price. There are many in the browse by, where you have to click on the price and click on the free. That's it, where you'll be shown many free courses. I'll show you simply a course, Career Edge Knock the Lockdown, which is a very famous course. Click on the subscribe now and click on the confirm, where you'll be getting this course at a free of cost. You can see your courses which you have subscribed in the My Products. If you want to see the product details, you can click on the product details and see the course. It's a session of duration of 2 weeks and a commitment of 12 hours per week. Here is a sample certificate. You can see after completion of the course, you'll be getting a sample certificate by the Tata Consultancy Services TCS ION, where you can see Tata Consultancy Services which written on the certificate. Again, click on the search icon if you want to enroll for more courses. There are many courses for the computer field and the marketing and the commerce student, and the arts and the science student. You can utilize your time here in this website. Actually, these are our paid courses, but they are given at a free of cost during this lockdown period. Click on again the price and click on the free. You can see there are many courses which are at a 17,700 rupees introduction to IoT and all. After clicking on the free, will direct you to many free courses. Click on the again subscribe now. Communication skills. The students who are lacking the communication can improve their communication skill by in this lesson. Click on confirm. Here you can see in the dashboard, we have enrolled a total of 2 courses. One is Career Edge and another one is Communication Skills. Again, click on the search icon if you want to subscribe other courses for free. After clicking on the search icon, again go to the price option and click on it. After click on it, simply click on free. The right side you can see there are many courses which are at a paid cost, but in this lockdown time we are getting a free courses, so please utilize your friends. This is an introduction to artificial intelligence which is offered by the NPTL. There are also some courses for the commerce students, ICT Academy, and other. You can see there are many courses, online courses, group discussion, presentation skills, business etiquette. You can see there are many pages. In the third page, we can see the computer networks, which is offered by the NPTL. Introduction to programming in C, which is offered by the NPTL. Data structures, learning agile with Jill, accounting fundamentals, and many other. You can see internet technology, database design. These all are the NPTL courses which you'll be getting free of cost. You can see risk management in financial sector, sales executive, dealership, programming, data structures. And if you like my video, please do like, share, and certificate. This is my sample certificate after completing the course of artificial intelligence. Here you can see the certificate ID and at the completion date. I completed on 19th May 2020. Here you can see the course end date. These are the topics which I have learned. Introduction to artificial. Thank you.